Salamun alaikum, tibtum mubarakatan tayyiba. We want to know what is the percentage of zakat.
Salamun alaikum, tibtum mubarakatun tayyiba. Rabbi a'udhu bika min hamasati shayateen wa a'udhu bika rabbi an yahdurun. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa halul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Dear parents, my dear brothers and sisters, now I am going to answer the question. That is very, very important question. That is, what is the percentage of zakat as per Quran? Because we know at present time people are wanting to know the as per Quran, in accordance of the Holy Quran, what is the percentage of zakat? That means how to pay zakat as per Quran. Because Allah has ordered and commanded in several verses in the Holy Quran for paying zakat. Aqimus salat wa atu zakat. You will get more and more verses in the Holy Quran. In Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, verse number 43, that you stop with the salah, the prayer, and pay zakah, and confirm your paying zakah, rate of zakah, as per Allah's commandment, as per Allah's order, Allah's law. And nowadays, we are listening this like 2.5% zakat is being distributed, is being proclaimed from different type of school of thought in the name of Islam, in the name of fiqh, in the name of Sharia. They are talking this life. But Allah Almighty has given the real or actual percentage of zakat that is declared and mentioned and stated in the Surah Al-Anfal, Surah number 8, verse number 41. Allah said here, وَعَلَمُوا أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتَ مِنْ شَيْءٍ. Allah has clearly declared here, وَعَلَمُوا, just you know, all of you, the plural number, وَعَلَمُوا, obviously, undoubtedly, you have to know, you must know, أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُمْ, verily, obviously, surely, what you have obtained, what you have earned, being sane, mean from, sane thing, from anything else. فَأَنَّ لِلَّهِ خُمُسًا. After that, undoubtedly, for Allah Almighty, 1/5. Khumus, that means 1/5. Khumus wal rasul wal yatam al masakin. So Quran says percentage of zakat is 1/5. That means in 100, 20%. And zakat means to increase, to make product or commodity or goods holier or sacred. And another meaning to increase. Someone tell this like zakat, there is no any mandatory function, but it is not right, because Allah Almighty has mentioned in Surah Al-Lail, Surah number 92, verse number 18, الَّذِي يُؤْتِ مَالَهُ يَتَزَكَّى. The person, the man or woman who pays zakah, but who is paying zakah, who pays zakah, then his wealth, Alladhi yu'ti mal, Alladhi, that means who, yu'ti, that means pays or follows Allah's order regarding paying zakah, the rate of wealth, rate of property, malahu, his property, his wealth, yatazakka, that means he will clears himself, that means he earns, he obtains cleanliness, and he takes purity and solidity by paying his rate of wealth, rate of property. So, my dear brothers and sisters, you will never find any single verse in the Holy Quran that will say to you the 22.5% which is running, which is going on. There is no any proof, any document, 2.5% of zakat. But Quran says, Allah has said in Surah Anfal, that means humus, that means 20% in response the given aspect of the 100, or in a word we can say 1/5. And Allah said in another ayah, Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah number 2, verse number 219, يَسْأَلُونَكَ مَاذَا يُنْفِقُونَ. Allah has told Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi, when people will come to you and ask you what they will spend out, just you say, after fulfilling your basic needs and expenses, just you give, that means spare money, the extra money, afwa, which is spare money, that is beyond your real or fundamental expenses. So that is also another point for confirming paying zakah. Allah said in Surah Al-Imran, Surah number 3, verse number 134, يُنْفِقُونَ فِي السَّرَّاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ. Those people who are spending their money or penny or property when they are at this position or difficult position. Every type of position we have to pay zakah, because Allah has commanded us, وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ. What I might have provided to you, just they will spend out, they will give the certain portion of their given property. That has been declared in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, verse number 3 and 4. And you will get many more verses regarding this issue in the Holy Quran. So in a word and at a glance, we can say this like as per Quran, and it is clearly spoken in the Holy Quran. So what is the percentage of zakat? That is 20% in 100. Or you can say 1/5. And somebody will tells this like, Ganimat is a matter of war booty, but that is not correct at all. Ganimat has so many meanings. War booty is another single meaning. But Ganimat, that means to obtain something, to earn something, to avail something. What is the meaning of Ganima? Ganima, that means to earn something, to obtain something, to get something, to avail something. So what is the Quranic meaning, perfect meaning, real meaning? وَعَلَمُ أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُمْ. Verily, what you have obtained, what you have availed, what you have earned from anything else, then you will have to pay the certain portion of that respective wealth and property. That is 1/5. So as per Quran, you will have to pay zakah 1/5. That means 20% in 100. For example, you have earned, you have got, or you have received, or you have obtained 100 taka or $100 or 100 riyal dirham. You will have to 20 taka. You will have to distribute, you will have to pay $20 in 100, 20 taka in 100, 20 dirham in 100. That is very, very clear as per Quran. And what verses I presented here, that will have to read out with full of meaning or understanding, then you will have to realize and understand well. So what is the percentage of zakat as per Quran? Not 2.5%. There is no any document for paying zakat 2.5%. You will never find any document, any proof in the Holy Quran, and you will never find even any man-made books, completely fabricated. But Quran says, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly spoken, Khumus, that means 1/5. That is very, very clear. Assalamu alaikum.